recipe stolen from a restaurant. Peel a few potatoes and cut them into thin rounds. Put the potatoes in the baking tray. Season with oregano, sweet paprika, black pepper, salt, vegetable oil. Mix the potatoes with the spices. Cut the chicken breast in half horizontally. Wrap with cling film and pound the fillet with a schnitzel mallet until it becomes tender. Put the fillet on the cutting board. In a bowl, add oregano, salt, garlic powder. Mix the spices. Season the chicken breast with the spice mix. Pour vegetable oil into the blender cup. Add vinegar. Crack an egg. Add garlic. Add mustard. Salt. Blend the sauce with the blender until it becomes creamy. Spread the chicken breast with the sauce. Grate the cheese and put it in a bowl. Add chopped parsley and mix well. Put the mixture on the layer of sauce. Roll the chicken breast slices tightly with the filling. Place the rolls on the bed of seasoned potatoes. Brush the rolls with sauce and bake for 35 minutes. Sprinkle with the cheese and parsley mixture and bake for another 5 minutes. These rolls on a bed of fragrant potatoes look so good that they can be served on platters at festive meals. They are juicy and very tasty.